This is ArtisanEnglish.jp. Today, we'll introduce a discussion lesson about the no-wash movement. How long would you wear jeans without washing them? Well, let's find out.
Laundry is an essential household chore that can be time-consuming and tiring. The traditional way of doing laundry, which involves washing, rinsing, and drying clothes, is a process that can take hours. However, a new trend called the no-wash/low-wash laundry movement is gaining popularity, changing how people approach laundry. This movement is about using alternative methods to clean your clothes without washing them every time they are worn. The no-wash/low-wash laundry movement involves using products such as fabric refreshers, waterless washing solutions, and stain removers to keep clothes fresh and clean without using water. This approach saves time and money on water and energy bills and is also more environmentally friendly. With the no-wash/low-wash laundry movement, people can simplify their laundry routine and embrace a more sustainable, if less odor-free, lifestyle.
Please try this lesson, the no-wash movement, or any other of the hundreds available at ArtisanEnglish.jp. We're looking forward to meeting you online. Smell you later.